coding isn't just for adults. Find out why coding is an essential skill for children. In today's digital age, coding is becoming an essential skill for everyone, especially children. But why should kids learn to code? Let's explore the reasons. There are many reasons why every child should learn to code. Let's take a look at some of the key benefits. Coding teaches children how to break down complex problems into smaller manageable parts and solve them step by step. Example, for instance, when a child writes a simple code to make a character move in a game, they learn to think logically and systematically. This ability to think logically and solve problems can be applied to many areas of life and learning. Coding allows kids to bring their ideas to life, whether it's designing a game, creating an animation, or building a website. Imagine a child creating their own story and bringing it to life with animations and interactive elements. Coding combines art and technology, encouraging children to think outside the box and explore their creative potential. Coding involves logical thinking and problem-solving skills that are also essential in mathematics and science. By understanding the logic behind coding, children can better grasp mathematical concepts and scientific reasoning. In a world where technology is rapidly advancing, coding is becoming a valuable skill in many careers. Learning to code opens up opportunities in fields like software development, data science, artificial intelligence, and more. Early exposure to coding can inspire children to pursue careers in technology, preparing them for a tech-driven future. Coding teaches kids that failure is a part of learning. They learn to troubleshoot and persist through challenges. When a code doesn't work as expected, children learn to debug and fix errors, building resilience and patience. This resilience and patience can help children face challenges in all areas of life with confidence. Now it's your turn. What cool project would you like to create with code? Share your ideas in the comments below. As we've seen, coding offers numerous benefits for children, from enhancing problem-solving skills to boosting creativity and preparing them for future careers. Learning to code can open up a world of opportunities for kids, helping them develop essential skills that will benefit them throughout their lives. Whether it's creating games, building websites, or designing animations, the possibilities with coding are endless. So, let's inspire the next generation to learn to code and unlock their full potential. The future is bright with young coders leading the way. We'd love to hear about your coding journey and projects. Share your experiences and creations with us in the comments below or on our social media. Until next time, happy coding!